Hey, hello everybody! Happy 4th of July! As you can tell, I'm celebrating. Now I look like Mel Tillis. Do you see? You hear that? It sounds like boom, grumble, grumble. It's 4th of July, but it ain't dark out yet. Is this a thunderstorm coming this way or no? Yes, it got warm in here, and yes, the air conditioner is set to 76. I don't care. It's cooling off. LAG the mama said it's okay. So let's see. Is this some kind of people being stupid and shooting fireworks during the daytime? Or is this distant thunder? Let's check it out. Let's investigate, if you will. I think it's thunder out that way. Jesus, the air isn't even moving hardly. Well, it is. Up there, you can see the trees up there. They're blowing a little bit. So yeah, the wind's kind of coming this way at us, which would be out of the east a little bit. Not much movement. And watching my YouTubes and hearing grumble, grumble, shit like that going on. I need to drive that motorhome again. Yeah, that's thunder, folks. You hear it? That's thunder. There's a firecracker over that way, but that over there, that's thunderstorm. Cool. I got out of the pool just about that pool right there. I got out of that pool about probably a half hour ago. It warmed up. The sun came out just enough. Warmed that pool up to 86 degrees. Perfect. Oh God. I did a double workout because I missed the pool for 2 days. So I did a double workout in the pool. Nice, nice. And I'm leaving the filter run. It just doesn't seem to draw enough power out of our system to even bother with shutting it off once in a while. I'm running it, and boy, I tell you what, it makes a huge difference. Light skimming and vacuuming, good enough. That's thunder over that way now. See? There's thunder here and there, but it's pretty cool. People playing. I'm really tempted to see if my black powder, 54 caliber black powder rifle will fire. I don't know if it will or not. That powder's pretty old, man. But if it fired, it'll let out a fucking wallop that everybody fucking hears. I'm tempted to load it up. With a blank, of course. No ball, no projectile, no sabat slug. Just a blank. And see if it fires? I don't know. Been a long time. So I'm not sure. I don't think I'll mess with it. I mean, it wouldn't be hard to clear out. Last time it didn't fire, there was a fucking maxi ball, a deer slug, stuck in the son of a bitch too on top of the powder, and it wouldn't fire. That was a pain in the ass to get out of there. I had to drill the fucking thing, and oh God. Maybe I'll try it. What do you say? You want to try it? Maybe. All it can do is make me just pull the wad back out of it and empty it. I guess. I'll try it. Let's see what happens. I'll be right back. Well, there she lays. On the table, a 54 caliber black powder rifle loaded with a blank. I got a percussion cap to actually fire, and the powder looks dry. Let's see what happens. I'm going to set you over here. I'm going to try to get this damn thing to fire. It hasn't fired in, good God, probably 7, 8 years. So let's see what happens. I'm just going to step on the back porch here if I can see it. It's starting to sprinkle. That looks pretty good. See what I can get. I don't know if it'll pull off or not. I found my patches and stuff. Put some powder in there and let's see what rocks. Will it go? I don't know. Alright folks, let's see what happens. I don't know. The nipple's on there. See if she fires. You ready? Aim, fire. Nope. She didn't go through. Alright. Let me try reaming it out a little bit. I'll be right back. Take two. Nope. Hey, at least we're having fun, right? I'm just going to keep trying. I kind of cleared it out. We'll see. It'll go off or not, right? Not. That one didn't work. It's going through the barrel though. We'll see. We'll see. I just got to get that main powder dry. I'll keep trying. It's getting louder. Huh. Powder can't be that dry, can it? Keep trying. Maybe it'll go off, maybe it won't. Can't find all my tools for it. Come on, bitch. Fire down through there. Nope. I'm gonna try a couple more times. I got the nipple reamer, I found it. Let's see if it goes through now. I don't know. Powder might be bad too. There she goes. Nice. Happy 4th of July, people. That's fucking awesome. And she went off. Powder's still good. So there you go. Look at the smoke. I love my 54 caliber black powder. This thing's a beast. Yes. Take down a deer at about 150 yards, no problem. So happy 4th of July, folks. Glad you liked it. I hope you liked it anyway. And let me get a light on here. Let me get a light on here. So until the next episode, peace out, people. Peace out. Happy holiday. Hands on with BLG. You never know what you will see. Oh, yes, sirree. Hands on with BLG. Stick around